In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Coinbase on all devices. This is an important step to help ensure the security of your Coinbase account, especially if you suspect any unauthorized access or if you're simply looking to refresh your security habits. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is log into your Coinbase account. This can be done through the Coinbase app on your mobile device or the website on your computer. It's always best to ensure that you're using a secure connection when accessing your financial accounts, so make sure you're connected to a secure and private network. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, usually found at the top left corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon will give you access to a variety of options related to your account and settings. Next, you'll need to go to the settings section. Once you're in the settings, look for something that says security. This section is crucial as it contains all the options related to your account's safety and integrity. It's always a good habit to familiarize yourself with the security settings of any financial app you use to ensure you're taking full advantage of the protection mechanisms available. In the security settings, you will find an option to lock your account. This step is critical as locking your account is essentially what will log you out of all devices. This includes devices that you might currently be logged into, or those you may have forgotten about. Locking the account not only logs out all sessions, but also provides an additional layer of security by temporarily disabling account access. Now here's an important tip. Before you lock your account, understand that unlocking it will require you to verify your identity. Coinbase will ask for a selfie and your photo ID to verify who you are, so it's essential to have these ready if you need to regain access quickly. If you're ready to proceed, confirm your decision by tapping the button that says yes, lock my account. Once you do this, all devices will be logged out of your account, helping you ensure that no one other than you has access. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Coinbase on all devices. Remember, regularly updating your security settings and understanding how to manage device access are fundamental practices for maintaining your account security. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Remember to stay safe and secure as you navigate your digital financial journeys. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.